Hello and welcome to CR18. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a DM structural inspection. First, log in on the DM portal site. Check the Gmail account connected to the DM system account for the OTP needed to log in. Click on the Services tab and search for the request for site structural inspection and press Apply now. Click on the New Inspection Request and input the parcel ID of the project and press Search. Select the project description as shown and press Next. Select that you agreed and press OK. Click on Select Buildings and input the data of the structural element you are requesting for inspection as shown. Select for the main building since the element in this example is part of the main building. And it is a deck slab, choose the others otherwise. Select the floor the same as on the Consultant Approval DM form. Select Partial to input the axis of the element. Press Save after double-checking the data inputted. Click and choose Ready Mix Company. Input the element volume and click Save and Continue. Upload the highlighted approved DM drawing of the element. Make sure the file name has no apostrophe. Upload the consultant-approved DM application form. Make sure that data on the form are correct and the boxes are ticked correctly. Upload the undertaking letter from the consultant. Double-check all the data and files uploaded before ticking the I agree box and submit. The submission process has been completed. If you want to check the status of the submitted inspections, click the application tracking, input the parcel ID, and search. That's all. Thanks for watching.